Some more line of boats here in this little harbor. This is kind of a small harbor. Here in Darian, there's a lot of shrimp boats, and they offload here. This one right here, somebody seems to be working on somebody's boat. Pretty nice little hut, I reckon. I've always thought I follow a lot of sailing shows on YouTube. Some of the people I follow is Sailing Doodles. You can go on YouTube, just type in Sailing Doodles. Great show. Sailing Irma is another one. Go check them out. Also, I follow Gypsy Christine. Also, check those guys out. Y'all be sure to go and like their page. Wonderful stuff, man. They travel all over. Something I'd love to have done and love to do. Love the water. Some of these sailboats just show signs of neglect, but now, trust me, owning a boat is a lot of upkeep. This is a nice little sailor. Needs a good bath. The last time I was here, they were working on one. If you look, I'm going to try to zoom in, mess them up. If you zoom in, let me see if I can zoom in over here. Well, I am. That's about all I got, but you can see Ray and them making their way down the walk plank, looking at sailing boats. Look at them. They're waving. All right then. Y'all can't be dancing on none of them poles. All right then. Well, if you do, let me get the video camera ready. Anyway, beautiful day. Hey guys, make sure that y'all do hit like and subscribe. This is just some of our little adventures that we go on, and weather's starting to get pretty, and we'll be out on the water a whole lot. Now, as far as boats and ships and so on and go forth, some of y'all know a whole lot more about them than I do as far as sailing vessels, so make sure that you check out again, you know, some of the sailing channels I follow. Wonderful people, and they do enjoy you know, having the followers. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Follow their channel. I'm giving them a plug. They haven't asked me about giving them no plug, but I'll give them one because I think they got awesome channels. Again, guys, down here on the Darian River, looking at the ships, and we're going to be skirting around doing some adventures today, and I'm going to try to shoot some more video, see what happens. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and remember guys, life is an adventure.